Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lily for those of you who are new here, and today's video was inspired by some new e.l.f. products I bought that gave me mermaid vibes. So let's dive right in. First, I grabbed Morphe's Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer to prime the lids and get them ready for some eyeshadow. I'm using e.l.f.'s Bite Size Eyeshadow Palette in Hot Jalapeno and taking the medium green color in the crease, building up the intensity slowly so I don't overdo it, and making sure it's well blended. This next palette is extremely old. I think it was from a clothing store, so nothing special, but you can use any light shimmery green that you have and apply it all over the lid. Then taking e.l.f.'s liquid shimmering eyeshadow in Mermaid Shimmy and applying that all over the lid where I applied the previous color. Going back to the bite-sized eyeshadow palette, but this time I'm taking the darkest green on an angled fluffy brush and focusing this color mostly in the outer crease for some more depth. Then blending out any harsh edges with a blending brush. I then took a Neutrogena wipe and wiped off any fallout and created a nice straight line with it where the wing would be if I used eyeliner. I then applied a very light coat of L'Oreal's telescopic mascara to the top lashes to prep them for falsies. The lashes I used for this look were the Salon Clusters lash because I didn't want to hide all of the gorgeous shimmer. Looking down into a mirror is the best way I've found when applying false lashes. Wow, that was a horrible transition, but what can you do? Then to prime the skin, I'm using the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Oh gosh, I stay dancing. My apologies. So I'm going back to my OG foundation today, L'Oreal's True Match Foundation in the shade N3, and blending it out using a beauty blender, bringing any excess down my neck and chest. Then using NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer to conceal under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and around my mouth. Letting the concealer sit there while I take the Hoola Quickie contour stick and apply it along the hollows of my cheeks, my five head, under the tip of my nose, and under my chin a bit. Then using this Morphe brush to blend out the contour. I'm using this e.l.f. foundation blurring brush to blend out the concealer around my mouth area, using a combination of the Beauty Blender and e.l.f.'s Flawless Concealer brush to blend out the concealer that's on the bridge of my nose and under my eyes. I always end up adding more concealer under my eyes for more coverage, and while that dries up a bit, I'm taking Hoola bronzer on this Kat Von D Shade and Light dual-ended brush to set the contour. To contour my nose, I'm using the Delium small angled shader brush and the Hoola bronzer, and shading the sides of the bridge of my nose and creating a line right above the tip of my nose to create a button nose. Now a little trick to prevent creasing under the eyes. I grabbed Morphe Setting Mist on my beauty blender and blended out that concealer. Then I mixed this RCMA Original No Color Powder and my Airspun Loose Base Powder and used the smallest amount on a powder puff, dabbing off any excess in my palm to set mostly my oily zones. For blush, I used Peaches by MAC. And dabbed a little on the tip of my nose as well. To set everything, I used Morphe's Continuous Setting Mist. Going back into e.l.f.'s Bite Size eyeshadow and taking that medium green shade along the bottom lash line. And of course, using NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk as a base for my inner corner highlight. And then applying a shimmery light green color from this BH Hollywood Special Edition palette on top of that white we just applied. To line my lips, I grabbed Milani's lip liner in the shade Nude, shaded in my lips, and then applied Vive's Treasure lipstick on the center of my lips and blended it out with my finger. I added some mascara on my lower lashes, then glued 3 gems along the side of each eye with lash glue, which to me completed the look. That's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, you can hit that like button. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because it's free. And hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching and spending your time with me. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.